Sometimes you can't just review the tech. You need to be the tech. Welcome, my friends, to building the ultimate PS2. Do not throw the PS2. Today is a momentous day because it is slightly after the 21st anniversary of the PlayStation 2 landing in North America. Yes, friends, the PS2 is officially old enough to drink, and it's also officially old enough to be better. You know, we're gonna do today what Sony didn't do, which is improve on the PS2 with the PS3.
Yeah, I don't know where you're going with that, but they kind of already...
No, the PS3 was not as good as the PS2.
You know what rhymes with PS2?
PS who?
Opera, the sponsor of today's video.
I mean, that doesn't rhyme, but what an excellent segue to our fine sponsor. Hello, dear viewer. You clearly have chosen to change the default browser that came with your device, right? Well, boy, have I got some great news for you. We have a brand new channel sponsor, Opera. Opera is a browser which not only has a huge focus on privacy and security, but they also have an exclusive Austin Evans theme available if you download it from the link in the description. I've been using Opera for a while and I really do enjoy it, especially when you're using it on your phone. It makes a huge difference, especially if you're connected to a mobile network. Over 380 million people have chosen Opera. It didn't come pre-installed on their device, and it's not just because it's that round browser that is from the same company who sells you all your ads and claims to protect your data. That, I mean, you know, if that's cool with you, sure. But for me, I would much prefer to use a browser which actually has a real interest in protecting my privacy. Not only does Opera have a free VPN installed by default, but it also has an ad blocker, which means it can help keep you safe and secure while also improving your speed, especially when it comes to using Opera on a mobile device. So what are you waiting for? Don't choose the default, choose the best. Check out Opera at the link in the description for all of your devices. And of course, huge thank you to Opera for sponsoring this video. Okay, the iToy. So with the iToy, this was essentially a webcam that plugged directly into the PS2's USB ports.
On the front.
On the front, I remember that. There weren't that many games that supported it. There were a handful, but it was a very gimmicky thing. Like, this was well before Kinect was actually properly popular.
Well before the PS Move.
Yo, yeah, PS Move, yeah. Ooh! Do you know what that is? That is a PlayStation TV. Does it work with PS2? Do we have the, I guess we need component cable?
There are component cables.
Excellent.
But we upgraded and got composite cables.
Oh!
It's the other way around.
What?
It came with composite. We upgraded to component.
Yes, yeah.
You know what we're talking about, component composite. It's the one with lots of
yeah, we have the one that's capable of HD.
Oh my God.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Wow.
These are disgusting. Can you zoom in on here. Dear audience, can you take a close look at this?
Oh, wow. Wait, where are the sticks going down?
What is this? Do you see this?
Grandpa Charles? I also hate to break it to you, Austin, but that's not all the controllers.
There's more control. Okay, hang on. So
I can't wait to show you my personal favorite.
what is this? Wait. What is this? Do I put this on my hand?
Yeah.
Oh, good Lord.
So this is the PlayStation version of the Power Glove.
No, it is not.
Yeah.
It's not.
It's not the Power Glove.
It is. It's got a big PlayStation badge on it, though.
Back and forth like that. It's up and down.
No, it is not.
And then
Matt, stop it.
And then wave your hand left and right.
Who thought that? Oh, gee. Okay. All right. You know what? That's fine. I'm gonna die so hard in whatever we decide to play.
So this one doesn't work.
Excuse me?
It doesn't work.
Are you trying to tell me the 20-year-old piece of garbage town technology doesn't work? You're gonna show me, you're gonna clickbait me with this. You're gonna make this the thumbnail of the video, and it's not gonna work?
I thought it was so cool.
What is this? Buzz It, a PS2. Oh God, this stuff is actually disgusting.
We have the nicer version of Buzz It.
Hold on, wait, guys. We're trying to build the ultimate PS2, here. I'm drowning in accessories. Nothing's even plugged in.
This isn't even 1% of the accessories.
We have a lot of stuff to go through, Austin.
We gotta keep going, man. Just keep going.
Stop joking and just get to work.
Memory card is plugging in. I have an 8 megabyte memory card. I need friends.
Hi.
Wait, I don't know if you have friends, but
I just want to play it.
Your coworkers would be more than happy to play with you.
Oh my god. This is fucking chaos.
Yeah.
I gotta turn this down.
Look, I had to take my glasses off because I have the worst viewing angle. Jason, you and me switch. This is what real power looks like. Yeah.
This is what real power.
Power.
That was it. That was it. I lost.
So I won? Am I the winner? Am I the ultimate PS2 gaming master? Look at this. Look at this. That's the face of victory right there. Has the hard drive just been on here the whole time?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I got a story about that. I'll tell you later.
Yeah, we like not to make things a little more complicated, but we did have this whole kit, which I think has more stuff in it, including Final Fantasy 11.
I tried one that was converted to SATA. I tried a SSD. That didn't work.
Can I ask a dumb question?
Yes.
Thousands.
Could you do anything with the PS2 hard drive besides play Final Fantasy? Oh, Linux. You can install Linux.
Linux.
Well,
Oh god. Wait. Let me guess. It didn't work.
only certain models of the PS2 were capable of running Linux, and we couldn't get our hands on one that actually turned on.
Taiko Drum Master. Ken, do we get to do a drum? What's like a solo but with two people?
A duet.
Oh my god.
I almost said double solo. I was like, wait. You know, normally in building the Ultimate, I'd be like, how much you spend on this? How much you spend on that? I bet y'all don't even know how much you spend on half of the stuff.
This was $80 for us.
Okay.
I could tell you that we are probably close to $800 on this build.
On this build, I like the build.
So far.
Actually, wait. Please tell me there's the game. Y'all got the game, right?
I feel like we're past the return policy on this one too.
Edit team, can you just maybe tally this? And this is gonna be really difficult to keep up with. Can we please get a counter on screen for how many items have worked for this Ultimate PS2? That's being charitable. That's being very charitable. Are you out of things that work today?
We
Or
might
we have
be.
to come back tomorrow?
We might be.
I think we should I think we should come back tomorrow.
How did this happen?
No.
Well,
We could do one.
which one?
We need to do one. Oh my goodness. Is that a DDR game where exercise gets fun? Oh my god, is it two? Is it duet time with our feet? Is it?
I think that's a quintet. Wait, quad. Wait, quin's five. No, quad. Four.
Quadricep?
Quadret.
Quartet.
Quintet.
No. Quartet.
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 You know, language, numbers, words, really not our thing today.
So I had these kind of mats where they were just flat and there wasn't any padding in them.
Yeah.
My friend had one of the ones where it actually had padding. It was like an inch thick.
Yeah.
I broke like 3 of these.
I believe it. That's very basic.
All right. Okay.
Oh no! Did we kill the Ultimate PS2 and we haven't even gotten into the game? We've got all this setup done.
I'm just gonna.
Can we just swap that PS2 in real quick? Thanks.
I don't know if that one works.
Ken, put it back flat. Jesus.
That might actually destroy that disc.
You know, some videos just go better than others, and this one, not feeling it right now.
All right, I'm gonna cut.
Yeah, let's cut. Oh! Don't touch it! Don't f***ing touch a button! It's working. It's working. We gotta get into a game. I don't care what it is, just give me something. YMCA. Let's go.
We're gonna get copyright strike.
Fine, whatever. We'll replace it with copyright music. Just go, Ken!
Oh.
What the? Oh God.
This is the saddest thing I've ever watched.
Oh my God, Jesus. I don't have that fast footwork. No, definitely not. Okay, I need to go down to difficulty. Oh, let's go. Let's go, iToy.
Watch me dance. Oh, look at us.
Oh.
Let's go. Yeah. I'm not sure why the iToy was useful there.
Jason, I need your gallon of water. Oh my God.
Jason's about to smack you if you touch his water.
What the hell are you doing? I kind of need like at least half of this, but like, why are you hoarding? California's in a drought, dude.
All right, friends, it's day 2. Time to continue with my very sad PS.
Oh, okay. Oh, that was violent.
You know, if that's the way we're gonna play this, that's the way we're gonna play this. That's fine. A little antagonism never hurt anybody. Okay, that came out in a weird way. What is this?
Not
Whoa. Do we have a game of Street Fighter for the PlayStation 2?
You get mad if I throw something at you.
I was ready for that one. He literally telegraphed it, but he was like, this. Oh, so this is a really custom controller. So the L1 and the R1 are actually up with your face button.
This is a 15th anniversary Street Fighter controller. Since you have a Street Fighter shirt and a Street Fighter controller.
Yep. Let me guess. Copy of Street Fighter.
No, a copy of Dragon Ball Z Budokai, because that is all we can find because I cannot find my copy of Street Fighter.
Are you kidding me right now? What is wrong with this video? Nothing is working for this video!
I'm sorry, but finding things that are 21 years old is not the easiest thing in the world.
There's more? I didn't put my shirt on yet. Well, don't smash my PlayStation.
So this is one of my favorite accessories of all time. I want you to open this and keep an open mind.
Okay.
It is way ahead of its time.
Oh God, all right.
But change first.
But change first.
Okay, fine. I know you just want to see me take my duck shirt off. There is a shipping manifest. I'm gonna immediately throw that away because I don't want to see what the actual Thrustmaster, the fighting arena.
Yes. So you see those 2 sticks in the back there?
Yes.
Of the picture?
Yeah.
So those 2 sticks have sensors on them that correspond to interface buttons on the PlayStation.
Oh boy.
Just keep in mind that the Wii didn't exist yet, the Kinect didn't exist yet.
I mean, this is cool. I'm skeptical. It's an easy 19-step process. Man, that smell of like plastic, like, you know what it smells like? Like an inflatable ball.
What?
Okay.
Woo!
You're dangerously close to a fetish here at this point.
Woo! Where did my display go?
Oh, so about that. We didn't want to use the other one again just because.
We were afraid you're gonna break it.
So we got you an even more expensive one.
Okay. The 5.4 game screen for PS2, a high resolution color display. Now, if you've ever seen the PS1 screen, it was cool because it made your PS1 very portable. This is a fucking piece of shit. What? Do you see how small that screen is? Do you think this thing is portable? Why is it this thick? That seems huge.
It looks like you made a PS4, dude.
Wow. Wow. I am in awe of the enormous display that's in front of me.
Can you believe that 1 year after this was purchased, they invented this really awesome thing called the PSP?
Yo, but actually though, the PSP is the actual portable PS2. All right, friends, so I'm about to experience the spectacular story of Dragon Ball Z. So to explain what I'm looking at here, I have my directional keys on the mat, I have triangle as the top, I have square in the middle, and I have O and I have X on the sides. Playtime is in tutorial mode. Okay, well that's not what
You don't hit it.
touch it. Okay.
I can't believe
Like, wait. Are you? Did this kind of work?
Oh, wait, this is actually, yo!
So if he starts using this now for Broke versus Pro, you might be.
What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? So I'm finally learning the controls a little bit. Oh God, wait. I'm supposed to be rotating my thing. I don't have a rotating.
You do, you have to slide your feet.
I will say that this was the Achilles heel of these games.
The Achilles heel. Oh, it overheated.
Oh no, the PlayStation died. Hello again, friends. Hopefully you're finding this ultimate episode of the PS2 enlightening. Oh yeah, the Slim PS2, the actual superior PS2. We could have just started with this, you realize, right? Wait, this is the end of the video? Wait, there's no more items?
No.
But where's the Ultimate PS2?
This feels like some sort of phone.
It does feel like some sort of phone.
Here's Ultimate PS2.
A laptop with an emulator. That's the Ultimate PS2.
Yeah.
Or better
really-
yet,
Dear audience, I would like to sincerely apologize for the disappointment of the fact that we did not build the Ultimate PS2 today. Believe me when I say I am just as disappointed as you are. But I would ask you to still subscribe anyway, because hopefully you enjoyed the journey, because it's not always about the destination. Sometimes it's about the fun and friends you make along the way.
I can't wait till you find them.